All right, YouTube, so let's do it. We got these turkey legs, baby. Let's take a look at the turkey legs. These drumsticks, these were part of, we got them from the Amish market a little bit earlier. These were part of the whole turkey leg thigh thing, and luckily at the Amish market, you can go and they'll cut it apart for you. You don't have to buy the whole thing. Turkey legs are so hard to get, but you can't get them at the Amish market. It's only open on Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. This is what we're gonna be working with. Here's the magic, YouTube. This is what I'm gonna be using. I don't season these with anything, except for during the course of the cook, I'm gonna use my secret sauce to spray them with. They're gonna be seasoned with the natural flavors of the turkey legs and with the smoke off the grill, and that's it. So let's take them out, get them on the grill, get this thing popping, and see what we can do. Come on outside. All right, come on up. So I already had the grill going. I started it about an hour ago to get it up to temperature. Let's get these on. Let's get these on. Watch this. You're gonna find this. This is gonna be amazing. Not right now, but wait till I come back out here. Start checking on them, and we get those follow-up videos. Oh, you're gonna be like, it's gonna be sick. There we go. Like I said, no seasoning other than the spray I'm gonna use, the flavor of the smoke, and just the natural flavor of the turkey legs. I'm sorry, turkey legs. All right, let's get it going. We'll be back next time we check on it, follow up. We'll see you in a minute. All right, YouTube, take a look at what we first got. These have been on here, what time? Well, I don't have a clock. It's been a little bit less than an hour. You see they're still really pale, and that's fine. We're gonna hit them with our first dose of the spray. My cinematographer, my daughter, for all the help she is, went to sleep. So I'm back on my own. Kids, if you got one, you need two. We're gonna flip these over. You forgive the camera angles. I'm working by myself. Spritz this side a little bit. They're already starting to smell good though, but they got a long way to go. But here's the interesting point. Well, not a point, problem. This. It's about the thunderstorm. As you can see, and maybe even hear, the thunder's in the distance. It's coming this way. There we go, YouTube. There go our smoked turkey legs. We can't get to them, baby. We can't get to them. It's crazy. We can't get to them. We gotta hope the temperature is right. Stinky, my grandson doing his thing. Hey. All right, so hopefully the grill is working right. All right, so I was telling you, it's storming. It's crazy. Haven't been out here to get with you. I think we're pushing 3 hours now. It's still raining. Come out here, take a look. It ain't storming like it was. A little rain falling still, but look at it. I think we're somewhere around the 2.5 to 3 hour range. But you get a look at it. We'll flip these. Woo! They're hot. But they starting up. Oh my God, they're hot. They're starting to look. Oh, whoa, that's hot, YouTube. There we go. Look at that, YouTube. And that's what I'm talking about. Look at that, YouTube. Even in the rain, baby. Even in the rain, baby. Even in the rain. Let's get these on the thing. And the tray. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Let's get in the house. Get a taste test on. Look this way.
Woo! Oh my God.
Good?
Mm-hmm. That's juicy.
I think she said juicy. Sound like juicy. I think she said juicy.
Woo.
Yeah, take a look at the turkey. See how it's cooked on the inside. It's really nice looking. It's tender. Can you taste the smoke on the bear?
Definitely.
Oh yeah. All right, YouTube. She says it's right. I'm gonna have to take her word for
You're
it.
right.
It's right. That's what she said. Love y'all. See you next time. Peace.